Picture this. You wake up tomorrow and your entire YouTube channel is gone. Years of work, thousands of dollars in potential revenue vanished overnight. This is happening to content creators right now at an unprecedented scale, and you might be next without even knowing it. What's happening on YouTube right now is unlike anything I've witnessed in the past decade. Channels that were earning six figures annually are being terminated without warning. The platform's detection systems have evolved into something that feels almost predatory, and certain content types are being hunted down with military precision. But here's the thing most creators don't understand. YouTube isn't actually changing their rules dramatically. What's changed is their ability to enforce existing policies using advanced artificial intelligence. These systems can now scan millions of hours of content and identify patterns that would take human reviewers years to catch. Let me share some shocking examples that will make your blood run cold. Earlier this year, the channel How to AI was completely terminated. This wasn't some random spam channel we're talking about. Leo, the creator behind it, was generating over $1 million annually teaching legitimate AI strategies. One day he had 2 strikes. The next day, his entire empire was gone. No warning, no second chances. Then there's Rome Rowe, who ran a celebrity news channel. His appeal was rejected within minutes of submission. Think about that for a second. No human being could possibly review an entire channel's content library, read an appeal, investigate claims, and make an informed decision in mere minutes. This was clearly an automated system making life-changing decisions for creators. The most disturbing case involves fake true crime content. A channel called True Crime Case Files was creating documentary-style videos about gruesome murders that never actually happened. People were so convinced by the professional production quality that they contacted newspapers asking why these major crimes weren't being covered. The creator admitted to generating over 150 completely fabricated crime stories using AI. These examples reveal something terrifying. YouTube's spam detection has become so sophisticated and aggressive that creators are being judged by machines, not humans. Once these systems flag you, getting a real person to review your case becomes nearly impossible. So, which content types are essentially banned now? First, faceless sensational entertainment channels that compile clips from other creators with minimal transformation. If you're just slapping together movie clips with AI voiceovers and no genuine commentary, your days are numbered. Second, make money online content has become incredibly dangerous. Even channels teaching legitimate strategies are getting terminated if their titles and thumbnails promise specific income amounts. I personally received 2 strikes on my own channel for this exact reason. Third, what I call AI slop channels are being massacred. These are channels that scrape Reddit stories, use completely AI-generated scripts, and provide zero original value. YouTube's systems can now detect mass-produced, repetitive content with frightening accuracy. Fourth, true crime channels face intense scrutiny after recent fake content scandals. If your content could be mistaken for real crime coverage but isn't properly sourced or disclosed as fictional, you're walking into a minefield. Fifth, news and political commentary using AI-generated elements without proper disclosure is getting channels obliterated. The fake celebrity quotes and fabricated testimonials around major trials have made YouTube extremely aggressive about misinformation. Finally, celebrity drama and gossip channels using AI-generated thumbnails with fabricated quotes or misleading titles are being terminated for deceptive metadata practices. Here's what makes this situation even more dangerous. YouTube implemented mandatory disclosure requirements for AI-generated content starting in May. If your content includes realistic AI elements and you forget to check that disclosure box during upload, you're at serious risk even if your content is completely legitimate. But here's the crucial part most creators are missing. You can still use AI tools and succeed on YouTube. The key is adding genuine human value. This means original commentary, unique perspectives, actual creative input, and most importantly, ensuring your content provides real value to viewers. I own several AI companies myself, including tools that generate full YouTube videos from scripts. But you can't just AI generate everything and expect to survive. You need to ensure your content actually helps people, whether through education or entertainment. The secret to staying safe is understanding that YouTube's policies haven't changed dramatically, but their enforcement mechanisms have become incredibly sophisticated. These systems can now scan content at massive scale and identify patterns indicating mass-produced, low-value, or legally risky content. Don't panic and think YouTube is dying. I've been through similar policy changes over the past decade, and the platform continues growing. Those who adapt and create genuine value will thrive, while those trying to game the system will be eliminated. The reality is that YouTube makes money when creators succeed, but they also need to protect their credibility and legal standing. They're essentially cleaning house, removing content that poses risk to their business model. My advice: focus on creating content that genuinely helps people. Use AI as a tool to enhance your creativity, not replace it entirely. Always disclose when you're using AI-generated elements. And most importantly, ensure every video provides real value that makes viewers' lives better in some way. This mass termination wave isn't the end of YouTube, it's the evolution of it. Those who understand these changes and adapt accordingly will find less competition and more opportunities than ever before.